Hey guys, this is Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace battery on the newest generation Lexus smart key fob. This process is pretty simple and it doesn't require any additional tools. First, press the push button on the side of the key fob and then take out the emergency key. Next, use the key blade to open the case. And finally take out and replace the old battery. When buying a new battery, make sure it's the same size and voltage. In this case, it's Panasonic model number CR2032. And if you're interested, I'm gonna post a link in the description where you can find the same exact battery on Amazon. When you're finished, don't forget to test the key fob to make sure it works properly. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.